AutoStore is an automatic warehouse system. It's the most compact type of storing goods in the world, I think. The system is typically used for e-commerce companies and stuff like that. I mean, you're sitting back in your sofa at home and you're looking at the internet and finding a camera or whatever you like to order. You want to push the button and then you want to deliver it immediately. We are investing heavily into R&D continuously, because that's the only way we can survive, is to have continuous development and continuous improvement of our system. We have to be better when it comes to the number of goods we can deliver to the picker or the person who's taking out the goods, or instead of having humans picking the goods from the boxes, to have other robots with vision systems and so on to take out the goods and put it into the box for the customer order. So in that sense, it's much better work environment for the people. It's all about investing heavily in R&D, always keeping up to date with the new technologies and so on and so forth.